Hello crafters, I'm back once again today. As you can see, the model's starting to take shape. This wall is almost done. The back is painted. And now, if I turn this light on, unlike before, light won't bleed through it as much because of the black base at the back. So today, I'm going to go through, since I let this thing dry between videos, I'm going to go through and start dry brushing again. Getting out my signature dry brushing wood. Getting rid of most of the paint. And we're going right back into it again. Here, I got some black on here. I might actually dry brush this too, so let's see how that looks. And that looks a bit better. Going to run my finger along here once in a while to get rid of brush strokes. For stucco, I like to do very light circular movements. Kind of like you're polishing or waxing a floor. Okay, gonna get this side a bit now, because I can. Already seems to be a bit light on black there, so I'm trying to disguise where I missed a bit of the paint with actual gray. That looks a bit better. Pretty sure you all get the gist of how this works. So I'm going to cut to a time lapse now, and I'm going to basically finish up this model.